Let's take a look at the trade I took yesterday. Tuesday, May 26th. This is the trade I took. Looking for longs for a mean reversion play. We've already opened here. We're about 5 minutes in to the opening drive. So we're waiting to see some confirmation of a reversion back to the mean. We're waiting patiently for the setup to play out. Nothing's played out so far. So we're looking to see here that it's already held that fair value gap. Although I don't trade fair value gaps, I trade the low volume nodes or high volume nodes. The lines here that are following price is the 50-day moving average. The blue one there is the VWAP, but unfortunately I know it doesn't adjust properly here. I need to zoom out for it to adjust properly. So I'm using a different chart, which I'll show you here in just a moment. We are trading a top step account. We're trading a combine account. We're going in with MNQs to make sure we don't blow the account. So let's take a look at the trade. So we're waiting here for price to set up. We already started seeing a reversion here at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and start to see some push up here in this. And I'm looking again for confirmation on volume and either an type of absorption. So here's where we get in. We're getting in, risking about 347, trying not to move the stop loss. If anything, we move it closer, not farther away. Again, that VWAP is not accurate, so we're looking to see how close we can get to the VWAP and if we can get to the $500 mark. So just depending on what price shows me here is where I normally move my stop, or if I get out, or if I just don't touch it and take the loss. So the way I look at prices, normally I'll look at all the consolidation areas, looking at those as high volume node areas. And so here's where the price started to push back up. And normally I'll trail behind those high volume areas. It's still respecting the other high volume areas. Again, this is short term. We're using a 500 tick chart here for this. Again, 5 contracts. We're looking to see if there's a potential for it to continue going. Again, risk is 347.50. So we're trying to at least make 1-to-1. So here I'm looking to try to reduce my risk if it continues going up. So try to either break even or move to a different position where it'll reduce some of my risk. So that's getting closer to my profit target. Definitely considering moving it to break even here. If it comes back this way, then it's not worth it, right? It wasn't a good trade, but I'm not going to let profits go down to 40 bucks. So I'm going to trail here. Again, below the high volume area. If it comes down and takes me out, then it takes me out. But you'll see me move here, adjust. Unfortunately, it took me down. It didn't take out my full profit target, but because I trailed too soon. So that was the trade. And of course, I have to lock myself out prior to, because I don't want to get greedy and do more than I need to. So let's take a look at the other charts. So as you can see here, this is the chart that I've been using for my entries. This is the 25 range chart. So looking to see where it started coming out to the third standard deviation of the VWAP, and then looking for a reversal back into the VWAP, and then just taking out at the VWAP. I didn't take that first initial push back up because I didn't get any type of confirmation that they were going to continue up. I didn't see anything else either on here that it showed me for a setup, although I did see this at 636. It did show this initiative from buyers pushing price up with the volume here at the bottom of 3K. So that was enough for me to get in. I got in here and stretched out to this direction here. I was looking for originally, again, the VWAP with my risk just right below this, which ended up being a pretty good trade. So I got out and it did reverse here, and I did continue towards the upper range of the standard deviations. But this is exactly where I got in and got out. So Again, this is 25 range charts, and this is the trade that I took on Tuesday, the 26th. If you like this content, please subscribe, share, comments. It does help the channel out, and I will be posting more of these videos soon. Thank you.